Hello students, in the present video I am going to explain you that how to construct a hyperbola using asymptotes. So here in the present method it is been mentioned as orthogonal asymptotes method. So we already know that what is meant by orthogonal. Just orthogonal means the two lines which are perpendicular to each other. So here also in the same manner the asymptotes will be perpendicular to each other. So as of at a given some distance, a point P of the curve of a hyperbola will be passing through these asymptotes. So where it does not touch the asymptotes, but it will be just passing through nearby that asymptotes. So already I have said you that what is meant by an asymptote. Asymptotes are the two lines drawn tangentially such that it meets the hyperbolic curve at some infinite distance. So the method of construction of asymptotes I have already said you in the previous video that in the construction of arcs of circle method. In the present video that what we are going to do, just by using the reference of these asymptotes we are going to construct the hyperbolic curve. So now let us go ahead for seeing that. So first just watch the question over here. As if we go into the question, it is mentioned that a point P of the hyperbola is situated at a distance of 35 mm and 50 mm from the pair of asymptotes. The asymptotes are perpendicular to each other. Draw a hyperbolic curve. So based on that one we are about to go ahead for going for the construction of hyperbolic curve using this orthogonal asymptotes method. So first draw a vertical line of any length using 2H pencil. Meanwhile, keeping your drafter scale parallel to this line, draw a line perpendicular to this vertical line such that where these two lines meet at a point, mark it as O. Now as we have got to locate the point P of the hyperbolic curve at a distance of 50 mm and at a distance of 35 mm. So in order that measure the distance. So how do we go ahead for construction of that? Just you measure the distance of 50 mm over here on the horizontal line, 35 mm distance on the vertical line. Now draw the lines parallel to these two asymptotes such that where these two lines intersect, mark that point as P. So right now over at the point from here I am just also marking the dimensions for your easy understanding purpose. So this is how about the dimensions I have mentioned it over here. So right now from here the hyperbolic curve is to pass through these at so and distance at about this distance, that what the hyperbolic curve is made to pass through this. So how do we make that curve to construct? Now we'll see. Now we have got the location of the point P which is at a distance of 50 mm from this asymptote and 35 mm from this asymptote. Now on this horizontal line from a point P, take some equidistant points. So equidistant points like around, I am taking around like 4 points. I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is what I have taken it towards the right side, and meanwhile take 2 points at the left side also. 1, 2. If you want to take still some more points also you can take. So give the numbering as 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right side of the point P and 5, 6 on the left side of the point P. Now, over from the point O, join these O to 1, O to 2, O3, O4. And meanwhile, similarly join O5 and O6 also. There is no such a rule that you need to take only 2 points to the left side of the point P. You can take, if you want to take some extra points, that also you can take it. Now, whatever the points we have joined by drawing the lines from O to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 to 6. So up to these points, where these are touching, where these lines touching this vertical line, mark those points. The corresponding, suppose for example, the line is joining from O to 1, where it is touching the vertical line, there at that point you mark it as 1 dash. Where it is touching here, you mark it as 2 dash, 3 dash, and this point as 4 dash. And meanwhile, the line joining from O to 5, mark that point as 5 dash, and this point I am marking it as 6 dash. Once again, I am zooming in, and so such that you can have a clear observation. So line joining from O to 1, line joined from O to 1, where it touches the vertical line, this point you mark it as 1 dash. O to 2, marking this point as 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. And the line joining from O to 5, where it touches the vertical line, mark it as 5 dash and 6 dash. Now, keeping your drafter scale parallel to the vertical asymptote, from each and every point on the horizontal line, drop the vertical lines from 1, 2, 3, 4. And similarly, from point 5 up, 6 projected upside. Now, on the vertical line, whatever the points we have located, mark the points. Draw the horizontal line intersecting the vertical lines, marking it as here. From 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. So where these points are intersecting, mark those points as for your references. So in order to, you can join them with a smooth arc. Similarly from 5 dash and from 6 dash, mark these points. Now, using HB pencil, draw the line, draw the curve joining these points. And if required, you can just extend this line, and further you can extend upwards, such that this line will not touch the curve. So this is the method how we go ahead for drawing the hyperbolic curve using orthogonal asymptotes method. And if required, if you want to take some extra points also, you can take extra points and you can go for the construction of hyperbolic curve. Thank you.